So the spirit doesn't interrupt. I'm here to talk about man and his work. By the way, as they've said, my name is Papiki Keifas Nkolove. I'm in another career, the hospitality career. I was the restaurant manager for Black Cherry Restaurant. I was a banqueting manager for Silver Star Casino. Then I had to move to Michelangelo Hotel in Santen. I'm a food and beverage supervisor there. So as I'm here to talk about man and his work in times of hospitality, I just want to hear from all of you guys. What is hospitality?
I owe you hospitality.
Right, hospital.
Not hospital, but hospitality. Hospitality, it does come from the word hospital, because in hospitality, we experience different type of sick people. Some are mentally sick, some are emotionally sick, some are stomach sick. So all those people are sick, but in different ways. But hospitality is friendliness, welcome, helpfulness, wealth, and kindness. And I can say in hospitality, we find almost more than 10 carriers. Businessmen, they are found in hospitality. IT, we find you guys in hospitality. Marketing, we find them in hospitality. Entertainers, we find them in hospitality. Guest relation, we find them in hospitality. Then we come into my industry, the kitchen side, the chef, the front of house, the business managers. I'm a chef, but I'm not working as a chef.
Okay.
But give me your kitchen, I'll show it nice. In other words, what I'm trying to say is, hospitality is not all about waking up in the morning, going to work, so that you can work as somebody who's working in hospitality. Hospitality is your everyday life. Hospitality is what you do on your daily basis. All of us here, we need food to eat, right? All of us here deserve to be treated in respect. All of us, where we go, we need somebody to show kindness to us. All of us, we need to be welcomed, reception. That's all in hospitality. Hospitality is not all about sitting down, being served food, eating and leaving. Hospitality is all about socializing. When you get into his coffee shop, imagine they say there's the owner. When you look at him, his face is serious. All the stuff, they are serious. You can see it's like they were fighting. That's not hospitality. But different people who go to hotels, restaurants, those people, they're stressed. Those people, they've got a lot in their minds, in their hearts. They need somebody to interact to. They need somebody to give them service. They need somebody to help them. That's where we come. Hospitality is all about taking care of each other. When you visit me, I must give you hospitality. When I visit you, I expect you to give me hospitality. So in other words, hospitality is a simplification of caring about each other. Some will take it as a career, yes? Because we realize that something when they've got 2 million, they're rich. No, my friend, you're not rich yet. You're still on the way to be rich. Because if somebody's got 50 billion but is not saying anything. Something when they've got 10,000, when they arrive in your coffee shop, you must feel the heat. You must feel that this man is paid the bill. Forgetting that after 2 days, 10,000 is finished. But hospitality is a language on its own. It's a lifestyle. That's why I say it's our everyday living, because of even Jesus fasted 40 days and 40 nights. Try it, my friend, will come and bury you. You must eat every day. It falls under hospitality. You must bath every day. It falls under hospitality. You must interact with people. It falls under hospitality. My friend, even if you work in the bank with a computer, there's a time whereby you need something from someone. It falls under hospitality, communication skills. So Hospitality simply teaches us that as men, we need each other. So now I'm moving to another level. Hospitality in the kitchen. I'm glad when they said man and his honor. But this is another topic. Just imagine Mr. Paho on the stove cooking for Mrs. Paho. When she arrived, Shama board, preparing everything for her. That's hospitality. A man who can cook in the kitchen, it's a man who can cook in the bedroom.
I'm done.
If you fail to cook in the kitchen as a man, then you are in danger. If you fail to surprise your wife in the kitchen as a man, but no a way to a man's heart is through his tummy. But United as men sometimes smell as when it's about a way to make a woman smile is to cook for her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
True.
And cooking for her doesn't mean you open the kitchen. You cook in the kitchen, then you cook in the bedroom as well. That's also part of hospitality, gentlemen. That's hospitality in your house. If you can take care of your kitchen, it means you can take care of the bedroom. In hospitality, we talk of housekeeping. Housekeeping is putting everything into order. Linen sheets, they must be up to standard, they must be clean. So that means you are standard and dot. You know how to look after yourself. You know how to put your things in order. That's one for the time to but if you don't have hospitality of your own, how will you be able to give hospitality to your wife? Visitors. I don't want to touch even the kids. Because of, as the head of the family, you are the one who must first teach them what is hospitality. As the father of the house, you must show them that you must lead by example. So that tomorrow when you come, you can see that she made it out. When you arrive at the home, you find things the way you want them to be. Not that when you check, you end up regretting, why did I marry this woman? Because of she do different things than how I do things. But all those falls under hospitality. So hospitality is not only about hotels, restaurants, lodges. No. Hospitality is our everyday living style, kids. What we eat, what we wear, what we bath, where we go, how we communicate, that's hospitality. Because of in hospitality, there's financial part. He knows. I'm glad that he spoke a bit about being in this. There's a hospitality finances, whereby as balance it up, you have to make sure that you check your balance sheet. So even in your family hospitality, there's what we call check sheet. Because of at some point, it's not because of things are going wrong in the bedroom or because of one of you cheating. It's because of hospitality, how you guys communicate. It's because of hospitality, how the food were prepared. It's because of hospitality, how the house was arranged. So gentlemen, when they told me that I have to share about hospitality, I was so pleased because I realized that as men, many times we fail, not because we want to, but because we don't know. So we are here as men to learn from each other. And when you check, I realized that an honor lost, it's a manhood lost. So that means our honor is to make sure that we always hospitalize in what we do. It's always to make sure that whatever we do it to our best ability. Amen. Our reception is must the person must feel the warmth. That's hospitality. Man said Mr. Tobula, no. There must be hospitality. Next week I'm visiting Mr. Dogula because he's got hospitality for people. So it's even more sad to us as Christians because of hospitality to Christians. It is where it must be shown more. Why? As Christians, remember, we are the salt of the world. We are the exemplars. So everybody look into us. Baba Bega, they mustn't see our attitude. They mustn't see our pride, but they must see our hospitality. They must see that we are welcoming, we are open. They can be able to have a conversation with us. So I don't want to go deep into hospitality because of I can take almost 24 hours talking about hospitality because of I can say saying so about this industry. I've fallen hard and rose again in this industry. I've learned things which I never thought they fall under hospitality. Because of when I speak of man and his honor in hospitality, it's another thing. Jambo Baba, it's your responsibility to make sure what that food, it falls under hospitality. Jambo Baba, it's your responsibility to make sure what we are keeping mamu as a part. And man figure, even though people look at her somehow, even though you don't have much, but you take her to the place where you know is best. Why? Because of their hospitality. You want to impress her. So you're going to take her where you know that they will take good care of you guys. So hospitality is very important in everything we do because of hospitality is all about caring and sharing, taking care of each other and being in one accord. So as men and our honor, let's always make sure that we don't lose our honor. For the honor lost is the manhood lost. I thank you, gentlemen.